Hello YouTube and welcome back to the T5 YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a very quick video. We're going to replace this gear knob with this one, which looks a bit nicer. This one's a bit worn out. So all you have to do this very simple job is to pick off the top of your existing gear knob. Dead easy. I'm pretty sure yours won't be held on with blue tack like mine though. And then that exposes a T20 screw, the Torx bit there. So we're just going to put that in. Undo that, and as you can see, once you've undone that bit, the old gear knob just pulls away from the lever, spring in place. Now if you wanted to replace the gaiter, which is this covering here that goes around the stick, which I'm not going to do, but if you did want to do that, it's just a case of using a trim tool or something similar just to lever it off all the way around. It just slots in under there and it'll unclip like that. But I'm not going to do that because I don't need to. So I'm sticking on my new gear knob. So very similar. Pop the top off. Slide it into place. Now this is slightly different, this new one. I'll put a link to this in the video description, because rather than the T20 screw, T27 Torx bit that the old one came out with, this has actually got a Phillips head screw bit. So I'm just going to start screwing that in. Try not to drop it. Make sure that bites reasonably tight, but you don't want it too tight. Perfect, like that. Just check I can get it into gears. First, reverse still works, all good, and then it's just a matter of popping on the cover, which should sit into these three little grooves there like that. It does. And there we go. Job's a good one. See you next time. Cheers.